Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 185. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing a 5. And for this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. If we look at this row here, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7. 4 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 4. If we look at this top row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here, so 3, 9. 4 here, so 3, 5, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 3, 4. Oh, and I missed one. Just the 4 there, so 3, 5, 9. If we look now, the only place in that row our 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 3, 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 3, 1. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. For this column now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 2, 6. 9 here, so 2, 6. And that means that our 9 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. No help here. 1, 2, 4. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 4. 1 here, so 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this box now, we're still missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. And for this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7, 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.